Hey fellow developers, are you still stuck using the HTTP package for API calls? You're about to discover something way more powerful, Dio, the ultimate networking tool for Flutter. It makes your API logic cleaner, smarter, and easier to scale. The HTTP package is fine for small projects, but it's very basic. You can't easily add global headers, there's no built-in support for interceptors, token refresh, retries, or logging, all of which are essential in real-world apps. It quickly becomes repetitive and messy as your project grows. That's where Dio comes in. It offers interceptors for headers and logging, built-in retry and timeout control, cleaner error responses, token refresh support, form data handling, much more scalable and developer-friendly. To install Dio, just add this package to your project. Get and post requests. Here's a simple Dio get request. And Dio post request with headers. Dio makes it easy to add auth tokens, show loaders, refresh tokens, and more using interceptors. No need to repeat the same logic in every request. Error handling and logging. With Dio, you get structured error handling using Dio error, and you can easily plug in logging with log interceptor. Debugging becomes super easy. Dio also supports cancel tokens, file uploads, timeouts, custom adapters, and more, making it perfect for complex and production-grade apps. When to use Dio, if you're building anything beyond a basic prototype, Dio will save you time and code. It's a must-have for serious Flutter apps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more Flutter tips, tricks, and tutorials. Let me know in the comments. Are you already using Dio or thinking about making the switch? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding!